Artists create visual works to express ideas, emotions, or messages. This could include painting, drawing, sculpture, printmaking, or digital art. Some artists work on personal projects, while others take on commissions or work with galleries, museums, or businesses. Many artists also sell their work online or at art fairs, and some combine their creative work with teaching or freelance jobs to support their income. The salary of an artist can vary a lot. Some artists earn very little at the start, especially if they are self-employed or just starting out. Many artists earn around £20,000 to £30,000 a year, but income can be unpredictable. Successful or well-known artists may earn much more, especially if their work is in high demand or featured in major exhibitions or collections. There are no formal qualifications needed to become an artist, but many choose to study art and design at school and then go on to college or university. A degree in fine art or a related subject can help build skills and open up opportunities. Building a strong portfolio of work is important, as most employers or galleries will want to see examples of what an artist can do. Gaining experience through exhibitions, competitions, or working with other artists is also useful.